A tragic aviation accident has shaken India. The jet carrying Ajit Pawar, NCP chief and Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra, crash-landed today at the Baramati airport, killing him and 4 others, including Captain Sumit Kapoor and First Officer Shambhavi Pathak. As per India's civil aviation regulator, the twin-engine light business jet approached Baramati at 8:18 a.m., missed the runway on multiple occasions owing to poor visibility. While the aircraft was cleared to land at 8:43 a.m., it lost control seconds before touching down, crashing 100 feet short of the runway and erupting into flames. While there was an outpouring of grief from across the political spectrum, West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee stirred a row by suggesting a conspiracy in Pawar's death. She called for a Supreme Court-monitored probe, citing an opposition leader's claim that the NCP chief was willing to leave the ruling BJP-led NDA alliance and join the opposition ranks.
A few days ago, I came to know that from social network that somebody from other party, they gave a statement that Ajit Pawar is willing to leave the BJP. And now what happened today, I need proper investigation under the supervision of Supreme Court.
However, the late Deputy Chief Minister's uncle, Sharad Pawar, rubbished the conspiracy theory and urged everyone to not politicize the tragedy. Ajit Pawar's journey started in the cooperative sector. He headed a sugar factory and Pune District Cooperative Bank before winning the Lok Sabha polls in 1991. The 66-year-old leader was elected to the State Assembly in the same year and won the seat 8 consecutive times. He was the longest-serving Deputy CM of Maharashtra, having served in the post 6 times. In November 2019, he created buzz by rebelling against Sharad Pawar and taking oath as the Deputy Chief Minister at 8 a.m. in the morning in a BJP-led government. While the experiment lasted only 80 hours, he succeeded in July 2023 later by joining the NDA government. Pawar not only gained control of the NCP from his uncle, but also led his party to victory in 41 out of 288 constituencies in the 2024 Assembly elections. Prime Minister Modi expressed his grief on Ajit Pawar's demise, citing his vast contribution towards improving life of people, especially in rural Maharashtra.
आज का दिन हमारे लिए एक बड़ा दुख लेकर भी आया है। आज सुबह ही महाराष्ट्र में दुखद विमान दुर्घटना हुई है। इस दुर्घटना ने महाराष्ट्र के उप मुख्यमंत्री अजीत पवार जी और कुछ साथियों को हमसे छीन लिया है। अजीत दादा ने महाराष्ट्र और देश के विकास में अपना बड़ा योगदान दिया है।
And the Aircraft Accident Investigation Bureau has taken over the investigation into the plane crash. Meanwhile, Maharashtra has declared a state of mourning for 3 days. The NCP chief's mortal remains have been kept at a ground in Baramati for the public to pay their respects. And his last rites will be performed with full state honors on Thursday, with Prime Minister Modi and India's Home Minister in attendance. To stay up to speed with the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.